Good morning and high five to you all. Now our today's class is related with how to show data or records of a particular table. Just see one table is created on the board and name of this table is ABC. Right? The table is created already, records are there inside the table. Now our next task is we want to show the data, the record that are there inside the table. Right? For that, in MySQL, we use select command. Just see the syntax of this command. Syntax means the structure, or we can say the formula to apply the command in a particular software. Right? So just see the syntax of the select command. First, select. It is a command of MySQL. You should write it in a small letter, or you can write it in a capital letter also. Just after select one space, then here you just write the names of the column that contains or that value you want to show on the monitor. Right? Here you can write the name of different columns, as well as you can write a star sign, asterisk sign also. Here in the first line select, in the second line from. This from command is directly related with the select command. So in the second line from, and with the from we use table name. Here we can filter records from the multiple table also. So here with the from you can write single table name or you can write multiple table names. Done. In the third line where with condition. And in the fourth line, order by. If you want to appear the data of the table in ascending order or in descending order, it is also applicable. Order by command is also attached with the select command. Done? Now, very first, the simple one. If I want to show the entire table with each and every record and with each and every column, what will be the command? I want to show the overall table ABC. My command is in front of MySQL. We just write select star. Star means we want to show all the columns from the table. So here we put asterisk or star symbol. Select star. In the next line from ABC. Right? It is known as the universal command of MySQL. Universal means what? If we want to show the entire table, if we want to show each and every record of the table, we just use select star from ABC. Yes, you can write this command in multiple line or you can write this command in single line also. Just see select star from ABC. It is also applicable. In front of MySQL prompt, you just write this one. Clear? To show the entire table. Clear? Now the next one. What is the role of where command now? What is the role of where command? Where means if you want to show some filtered record only. Filterization means it is based on a specific condition. Suppose I want to show only male candidates record from the table. Clear? So I put the filterization on this gender column. Gender column contain male, female. This data is there in the gender column. So if I want to show records of the male candidate only, what will be the command? For that the command is select star means every column will be there on the monitor. Select star. In the second line it is from. Name of the table it is ABC. And in the third line the filterization condition I just apply with the where clause, where gender equal to n. Right? It is the another form of the select command. By this we can filter. If we use where command with the select command, we can filter records from the table. Clear on? Now just move further. How to produce conditions with the where command. It is our next topic. How to produce conditions. So now, very first, we just check out the first line of the command. The first line it is select star. Star means each and every column of the table, it will be there on the monitor. It is noted by the star symbol, right? If I want to show some selected columns only, selected columns means if from this ABC table I want to show roll number, name and date of birth, these three columns only. Now my rectified command will be, instead of star, I remove the star symbol from here. I just put the column name, that data I want to show on the monitor. Roll number, then name, then DOB. These are the column names, right? In the next line, from ABC. Just complete these two commands. Select star means each and every column, it is there on the monitor when you execute the command. If you remove the star and instead of star, if you put the name of the column, then only three columns data will be there on the monitor. If you execute the command, only roll number column, name column and DOB column, these three columns will be there as an output. Done? So it is the very first line, select star, and the second one, select RNO, name and DOB, right? Instead of writing column name, we just put an aggregate function of MySQL also. Suppose if we want to sum the percentage, we just remove the column name and put the sum function, some aggregate function of MySQL. So we can do this as this feature also in the next classes. Now come to the next line. It is from ABC. Here, from ABC means single table. We can filter the records from the single table. If I write ABC, XYZ, what will happen? Computer filter the records from both the tables according to the specific condition that I apply with the where command, right? So from, you can write single table name or you can write multiple table names also. Clear? Now just come towards the third command, that is the third line, that is related with where. What we can do with this where? In front of where, we can apply condition, either single condition or multiple conditions also, right? Suppose if I write where, or I am using the full command, just look this one, select star here from ABC, name of the table. Then in the next line it is where. Then here I just use where percentage PER is greater than equal to 90. 90 is there in float, so 90.0. What will happen now? Select star means each and every column will be there on the monitor. From ABC means the data that is coming out from the ABC table, where percentage greater than equal to 90. Now here computer is going to filter the records of the table and only those records will be there that satisfy the specific condition. Means what? The first record is 78.5. Is it displayed? No. Why? Because the percentage is less than 90 and here the condition is percentage greater than equal to 90. So first record, it is not there on the monitor. Second also not there. Third record here, Purva, percentage of Purva is 95. It will be there as an output. Sahil, 94.7. It is also there. Now the third one, 86.8. Not there on in this output. And the last one, 44.3. It is also not there as an output, right? So with the help of where command, we can filter the records from the table. Now just see, what is this? If you want to make condition with this where command, you just apply relational operators of MySQL. Clear? How many different type of relational operators are there in MySQL? If you want to check it out, the first one, you can use greater than symbol, you can use less than, you can use greater than or equal to. It is known as greater than or equal to, right? Then here less than or equal to. Then equal to means for accurate searching, for exact searching we use equal to symbol, and this symbol is related with not equal to. In some older version of MySQL, you can use either this symbol or this symbol. Just 5 and then equal to. Both the symbols are related with not equal to. Clear on? So these are the relational operators of MySQL. We can use these operators with this where command. Other than this, some more operators are there, that is between. We can use between also, and then we can use in command also, in operator also, and the third one like operator also. Instead of giving this relational operators, we use these commands also with the where command. Clear? Now the next topic. Suppose I want to show those records from the table that are having percentage in between 70 to 80. Here two different conditions are there. I want to show those records where percentage of that particular students are in between 70 to 80. What will be the command? And I want to show the name, percentage and DOB, these three columns only. Right? The command is select name, the first column name, it is there in the output, then percentage, then the third one it is DOB. Clear? In the next line from ABC table name, and here where in the third line, now my condition is based on percentage column of the table. So the condition is where percentage greater than equal to 70.0, and the second condition is where percentage less than equal to 80. Here two different conditions are combined with this AND operator. This AND is known as the logical operator of MySQL. Logical operator. It is used if we want to join two or more than two conditions with each other. Either we can use AND or we can use OR. Yeah? So this is the formation of select command. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.